Yeah, look, let me tell you about a kid named Steven. He's slowly running out of things to believe in. Every couple of months his mom leaves him for no good reason. His stepdad beats him. Not too many friends, only ever had a few with him. But recently they don't want anything to do with him. Always eating lunch in the bathroom stall.
Hi Jake, Carly here from New York. I just wanted to let you know that your words give me confidence, your messages inspire me, you help me find the inner strength deep inside. So thank you for that. I love you forever. Military for life, and I'll see ya.
Everything will be okay, cause his dad was always the light at the end of the tunnel. But now that same damn tunnel's looking dark and gray. He keeps quiet in the back of the class. Today I met a man sitting on a corner, he was holding out his hand. Had a couple quarters that he saved up in a can. I think I heard him whisper that you'll
Jake
never
Miller is
understand.
super funny. I
No
love
place to
his
call his home, said he lives alone. So his Porsche Rome with a shopping cart filled with top with everything he owns. A smile on his face, yep, very
and awesome.
He was holding up a sign saying
Love
life is
Jake
good.
Miller.
Man, I wonder what it'd be like a day in his shoes. I guess when you got nothing to lose. He said, boy, don't you pity me, I'm so standing tall. As a matter of fact, I got it all. I got life, I got love, I got faith, and that's enough. We feel sorrow, we feel pain, but there's sunshine after rain. So I'm alright. Yeah, you'll be fine, take it one day at a time. Yeah, said you'll be fine, take it one day at a time. Today I met a man, makes a couple $100 grand. Always stressing out, got 2 cell phones in his hand. Lives the country club life, think he's on his 3rd wife. Never makes it home for dinner cause he's working every night.
Hey Jake, I don't know what to say other than thank you. I probably seem like a really happy person now, and I am, but that's not the way it's always been. I started listening to your music about 6 months ago, and it literally changed my life. The first song I ever heard was Steven. I was with one of my best friends, and I had a little bit of a breakdown. I was able to open up to her about all my depression and everything that was going on in my life. If I didn't hear that song, I truly think I would not be here today. It saved my life.
We feel sorrow, we feel pain, but there's sunshine after rain. Yeah, I've been away for quite some time now. I think it's time I come home. Yeah, and if you ask me, I'll say I'm just fine, but deep inside
Hi Jake,
I'm alone.
I just want to thank you for everything that you've done for myself and the rest of the fans, and I just want to say you're such an inspiration and a hero to most of us, and I want to thank you for that. I want to say I hope that you keep doing what you're doing because you keep us going every day, and the military loves you and will always love you. So this is a way that we give back to you and say thanks. So, thank you.
Yeah, let me tell you all the story. Everybody gather around. Once there was a boy, he was the coolest kid in town. He knew he wasn't perfect, just like everybody else, but he always knew the importance of staying true to himself. Cause all the other kids would hide behind a mask. So when they took attendance, he the only one in class who could proudly raise his hand when he heard his name. Never lost track of who he was or tried to change. Even through the peer pressure, he was happy in his skin, while everyone around him was obsessed with fitting in. He never let the words of others get in his way. Hey, and that's what made him into the man he is today. Sing.
I'll see ya. Love you, Jake Miller. Bye.
But I thank God for you every single night because believe it or not, you saved my life.
Thank you.
Yeah. There is no one like me. Now his friends are dressing different, barely recognized him. Every day was Halloween.